Hello everyone, welcome to this Python basic course wherein you will understand everything from print hello world to saving the files after the output that you have generated in Python. This comprehensive course has 6 modules for now wherein you will understand how all these things works. How I have done it is I have created small videos for all of you guys to go into the details about this. As you can see here, there are 6 videos and we have created a very important notebook. So as you can see that there are majorly 6 parts: getting started writing your first Python code, along with your data types, data structures, control flow, functions, and finally saving it, what I mentioned. So if you go through this step by step, there are code functions available here. You can also, if you are getting stuck in somewhere, you can just use the Gemini feature here. As if you can see the pen, magic pencil, you click the magic pencil and explain the code. So use the help of inbuilt AI in this notebook to help you get past your doubts, your confusions, ask very specific questions. So look at every video that is embedded in the notebook as well in the playlist. It is the same thing, it is just structured accordingly, and this link will also be shared on the description. So this is your go through ground. Once you go through all these things in details, you will get a fair understanding of how basic Python works and all the important components that are there in Python. So best of luck, keep it going. The only way you will really learn Python is running the code in the Google Colab notebook by yourself and experimenting with it. Thank you and see you on the other side.